Hi everyone! Today, we're going to discuss about the union and intersection of sets. Let's get started. So we have here the union of sets and it's denoted by the symbol U. Set A has 1, 2, and 3. Set B, you have 3, 4, and 5. The union of sets means combining all the elements without repeating. Take note that there should be no repetition. Let's use first the Venn diagram. We have here the set A and set B. All the elements that do not belong to set B will be placed here. So you have 1, 2. And then all the elements that do not belong on set A should be placed in this area. So you have 4 and 5. And all the elements that belongs to A and B should be placed in the middle area. So that is 3. Again, the union of sets means combining all the elements. So you have here A, union B, and let's write all the elements. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Since it says there that there should be no repetition or without repeating any element, so we will just write 3 once. Okay, let's now proceed to intersection. And it is denoted by the inverted U. So you have here set A 1, 2, 3 and set B 3, 4, 5. Again, let's write all the elements for set A and B. So you have here 1 and 2, 3 in the middle, 4 and 5. So when you say intersection of sets, it means taking only what's common to both. So if we're talking about what's common to both, we will get the data in the middle, in this area. So what's the intersection of A and B? So that is 3. Got it? Let's proceed to another example. So you have here example for the union. We have to unite A and B. A union B. So you have to write red, blue, and then for set B you have blue, so it's written only once, and then green. So our answer for A union B, we have red, blue, and green. Another example, the elements of set X are 2, 4, 6, and 8. And for set Y, you have 4, 5, and 6. So if we will be putting that in a Venn diagram, so let's make 2 circles here. 1 circle here and then the other one here. Okay, so all we have to do is to write the set X and Y. Same elements will be in the middle. Also, you have 6. So 4 and 6 in the middle, and the rest you write 2 and 8. And then here on Y you have 5. So if we're talking about intersection, the intersection of X and Y is 4, 6. Okay? For these exercises, we have set A is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And set B, you have 3, 4, 5, and 6. We'll start with number 1, which is find the union of A and B. Union of A and B, you combine everything. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then for the intersection of A and B, look for the items or elements that are repeated for both A and B. You have 3, 4, 3, and 4. So you have 3, 4. Next, you have letter B. X has an element of red, blue, and green, and Y elements are blue, yellow, and pink. So what's the union of this? Okay, so you have red, blue, green, and then for Y, blue is repeated. We have yellow and pink. Okay, so for the intersection, you have the element that has been repeated is blue. So you write here blue. Alright, so that's it for our union and intersection. Again, when you say union denoted by letter U, you combine everything. And then for the intersection denoted by the inverted U, only what's in common. Alright, so that's all for our union and intersections. See you in our next video. Bye-bye!